everyone, it's Chevy with Daly City Rec, and this week for A Summer of Stars, we're going to be making a constellation painting, which is inspired by Mary Had a Little Glam by Tammy Sawyer, illustrated by Vanessa Brantley Newton. The first thing we're going to do is apply a little amount of black paint onto the canvas, and depending on what undertone you want, you can add purple, blue, yellow to mix with this. Grab some white paint and go ahead and start making your stars for your constellation. For my constellation, I will be doing the Big Dipper. With an angled brush, go ahead and connect the stars together. Now the fun part, we're gonna get a brush, add some white paint to the tips, and we're just gonna flick it onto the canvas to create a starry view. Hope you had fun with this easy constellation painting, and I'll see you in the next video.